I'm 46 with a background in neurological occupational therapy, and I'm starting a YouTube channel. I want to share practical tools and tips that really help when life feels overwhelming, especially for people juggling a lot like you and me. In this video, I'll share why I'm starting a YouTube channel, what inspired me to restart, and what kind of content you can expect if you want to stick around. If we haven't met yet, I'm Simone. I'm a mum to an almost 8-year-old, very lively daughter. I'm a fur mama to this cutie, Cookie, the cavoodle, and I'm a personal development nerd. So let's dive into the why and why it feels different this time. If you look back, I have shared some videos over the years, but really sporadically. And I guess the real reason that has kickstarted this journey is about 3 years ago, I shared a video of an acceptance and commitment therapy practice called Dropping Anchor. You can check out that video at the end of this video. I'll share the link, and I'll also share the link in the comments and description below. So comments started rolling in. People were commenting on how they found the practice helpful. And it got me thinking, wow, if this one video can help people, perhaps there's a lot more potential for me to share the things that actually work and to help more people all over the world. I think that video is currently sitting at about 22,000 views. And look, it's a simple practice. I guess I took it for granted that it was so helpful that it would actually make a difference in people's lives. And it lit a fire in my belly that, there was so much potential for me to share more of what I know works and what has certainly helped other clients that I've worked with over the years to create more joy, to create more calm in their lives, and to help manage stress. And I guess you could say I've been a little bit obsessed with YouTube ever since, realizing that one video had potential that perhaps other content could help people. I had this intuitive feeling I had to go all in on YouTube. And I want to build a space that feels real, that feels grounded, that feels safe, that feels at home in this crazy world that we're living in. We are in a mental health crisis. It feels like there's so much stress. People are living with chronic stress just from their day-to-day lives and the busyness, but also from some of the chaos that's going on around the world. And that's where this channel comes in. I know it can be expensive to access therapy, counseling, even mindfulness-based activities, yoga, meditation. It can be really, really expensive. And so I feel that this is my way of giving back, sharing the tools that I love and know work. I've lived through burnout. I'm still a recovering perfectionist and people pleaser. And I've come out, the other side. I have some core skills that help me navigate the ups and downs of life. And, as a coach and a former occupational therapist, I'm trained in acceptance and commitment therapy. I'm trained in emotional freedom techniques or tapping as well. And you'll see on this channel EFT tapping sessions, meditation sessions, and a lot of acceptance and commitment therapy tools. So there are some other personal, perhaps more selfish reasons that I'm starting this channel. And that is that I have to confess I love YouTube. I come to YouTube for education, for inspiration, for so many things, from learning how to build wealth to weight training sessions to how to clean out my washing machine filter. YouTube is my go-to for inspiration, and I guess it's now where I want to give back and make a difference to others. I love personal development and growth, and I guess YouTube is a bit of a challenge for me to get uncomfortable or get comfortable being uncomfortable, to learn how to present better, to learn how to communicate better, content creation, learning how to design thumbnails, writing skills, all of these things that put me out of my comfort zone and hopefully will help me to grow as well at the same time. I need this channel too for me. So I was burnt out, extremely stressed, and feeling really stuck about 15 years ago. And I know that a channel like this would have really helped me navigate that time. This channel is exactly what I needed back then. And when I teach this, I also benefit from it. So it brings me back into a greater state of calm. It creates more joy and purpose in my life. And I absolutely love sharing what I know and what works with others. If this video is resonating and you could use some life hacks to help navigate the highs and lows, I'd love to have you as part of my community. Hit subscribe, or you can check out the sign up to my newsletter in the description below. I'll be sending regular newsletters with more content to help you navigate a life with more joy, with more calm and ease. On this channel, I want to share science-backed tools and tips, mindset shifts, and also my lived experience wisdom to help you live a life that actually feels good, not just insta-good. And I'm the first one to admit that I don't have it all together, certainly not all of the time. Who does, right? I don't have all of the answers, but around here I do plan to keep it real. I am a solo mom. I work for a not-for-profit in a job that I love, and I also have this passion for helping others. So I want to know about you. If you are one of my, I think it's 284 subscribers, if this is you, please do drop me a hello in the comment. Maybe let me know where you're from, or just share what it is you'd like to see on this channel. And I look forward to getting to know you more. I am aiming to post a video every single week, and I'd love to hear your feedback about what you want to hear from and what tools and tips you're really interested in learning. And if you're curious about that dropping anchor video, I'm going to link to that now at the end of this video. You can go and check it out. It's a beautiful, simple practice that no matter what's going on around us, whether we're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or feeling anxiety, it's a perfect practice to just tune in, to notice our thoughts and feelings, to tune into our body and to become more present, and know that we can be experiencing all of those things but still carry on with what it is we might need to be doing at that time. So thanks for watching. If you've got this far, here's to navigating this messy, beautiful life together. I hope to see you in the next video.